to Atlanta, Georgia, where the local time is 9:59 a.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. In the next few hours, you may receive an email survey from Delta. We welcome and value your feedback and use your responses to continually improve your travel experience. We invite you to download and use the Fly Delta app for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. As you deplane, please remember to take a look around your seat and make sure you have everything you brought on board. On behalf of Delta and this Miami-based crew, we've enjoyed having you on board, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Have a wonderful morning. So we are landing in Gate E as an Echo 30, and it's going to be baggage claim number 9. Since we're Atlanta, if you have connections, now's the time to listen up. If you're going to Augusta, Georgia, you're going to D as in Delta 40. If you're going to Key West, Florida, you're going to B as in boy 12. Columbus, Georgia, D as in Delta 30. Seoul, Korea, B as in Echo 17. St. Louis, Missouri, B as in boy 17. Knoxville, Tennessee, C as in Charlie 55. Albany, New York, B as in boy 20. Syracuse, New York, B as in boy 19. Albany, Georgia, D as in Delta 41. Raleigh, Durham,